Lightning-fast performance. The Belkin Ultra HD HDMI 2.1 cable is 2.1 UHD certified, with data transfer speeds of up to 48 gigabits per second, a quantum leap in speed from the 18 gigabits per second from HDMI 2.0. Experience Dolby Vision. From improving each pixel to unmatched brightness, contrast and color, the Ultra HD HDMI 2.1 cable will change the way you experience watching Netflix, Apple TV, Fire TV and more. Unparalleled gaming performance. This cable supports both the optimal bandwidth and speeds for high-resolution gaming. With support for 4K gaming at 120 Hz or 8K at 60 Hz, your favorite games have never looked better. Ultra HD compatible. The Belkin Ultra HD HDMI 2.1 cable supports optimal performance for Sony PlayStation 5, PS5, and Microsoft Xbox One, Xbox Series 10, Apple TV 4K, 4K HDR, HDR10 and Dolby Vision, laptops, PCs and MacBooks. Thoughtfully designed. This cable is designed with a strengthened braided jacket that minimizes damage to delicate wiring and protects against electric shocks. In addition, the 3.3 feet 1 m long cable is the perfect length to connect your laptop. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. Just got the cable, this thing feels amazing and works great. For my taste it's a little bit short but does the job very well.